This video demonstrates repair of a traumatic canalicular laceration in a 1-year-old male child under general anesthesia using a monocanalicular Auro stent. The procedure begins with thorough cleaning of the wound with povidone iodine. Any blood clot, debris, or fibrinous membrane obscuring the wound margin is gently removed. Next step is to locate the puncta. The most crucial step is identification of the medial cut end by the characteristic white ring of tissue surrounding the canalicular lumen. The canalicular lumen is confirmed by gently passing a probe through the opening and identifying a firm, hard stop. The involved punctum is gently dilated using a Bowman probe. The stent is passed through the punctum and retrieved through the open wound. The stent collar is seated snugly within the puncta. The stent is then gently passed through the medial cut end at the level of the calamary ring sign without any resistance. Pericanalicular suturing is done with Vicol 70. The knots are buried medially away from the cornea to minimize the ocular surface irritation. Lid margin closure is done with Vicol 70. However, in adults, lid margin closure is generally done with Silk 60. Orbicularis is closed with Vicol 60. Skin closure in children is generally done using Vicol 60. However, in adults, we use Silk 60. This is mainly done to prevent undue general anesthesia in future for removal of the sutures. At the end of the procedure, the wound is inspected, ensuring proper positioning of the stent collar and good wound apposition. Happy learning. Thank you.